What do we got here? Uh-oh, that's bad. That's not good at all. Let's dive in. Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video I'm going to talk about the Motorola Razr, the newest flip phone by Motorola Razr. So I went to the store today to actually buy one of these guys, and here are 5 reasons I did not end up buying this as a consumer. I may end up buying it as a reviewer, but I'm not going to buy this as a consumer, despite the understandable appeal of this smartphone. But here are the 5 reasons I'm not going to buy it. Now, the very first reason is the display. The fact that it is in fact very flimsy and also low quality. This is a 6.2-inch plastic OLED display with a resolution of 2142 by 876. That is in fact below 1080p, and at this price point, that's unacceptable. Now that's the display quality. Also, the brightness is not that high, but this being a plastic display makes it susceptible to damage. Just take a look at the way I can actually peel off the display as I'm unfolding the device. What if something gets inside there and it just gets in there and damages the display? There is no way around this. Sooner or later, it is going to get damaged. Now, I'm sure if you try to baby this device, it will survive, but I'm not here to buy a phone for $1,500 and then baby it. I wanted to be able to use it without thinking too much about if the display is just going to break or peel off. So that's reason number 1, the display, the flimsy plastic construction, the fact that the display is not that bright, and obviously the fact that it's low quality. That's reason number 1. Now, reason number 2 has to be the specs. These specs are mediocre. This is a mid-range smartphone. It has a Snapdragon 710 processor, 6 gigabytes of RAM, 2500 milliamp hours battery capacity, and of course it's also running Android 9, not even Android 10. And I've been told that the camera quality is in fact nothing special. And we already talked about the fact that the display of the phone is very low quality, it's low resolution, and it's not a durable display. The third reason ties into the fact that this is a highly priced smartphone. So I'm paying a premium price of $1,500, but only getting something mediocre in return, as if I'm only paying for the flip functionality. And remember, for having beyond flagship prices, it still doesn't have things like wireless charging. It doesn't have a headphone jack. It doesn't have expandable storage. It seems it was just designed to be a flip phone, but the price tag is in fact outrageous for these low specs. Now, one thing I just want to show you guys is you can go into the external wallpapers and set a wallpaper externally just for the screen on the outside. So when you press and hold, you go to external wallpapers and then you choose on device wallpapers. You can tap any one of these pre-built wallpapers and then you can apply this and it's going to show up right on the external screen. So at least you can have 2 separate wallpapers on the inside and the outside of the actual smartphone. Now, reason number 4 is something that is really important for me in a foldable phone. And I said the same thing with Samsung Galaxy Fold, even though that phone is much more high-end than this one. But reason number 4 is the fact that the display does have a crease. Again, this is a plastic display. It's never going to be super smooth. Now, this is something they can fix in the future. But right now, for me, if I was going to pay $1,500 for this phone, I do not want to see a crease on this phone. And most likely that crease is going to get more pronounced and worse over time. And the final reason I'm not going to buy this phone right now as a consumer is because the price of this phone will go down dramatically. So look, if you're in the market, you want to buy this phone, maybe you like the flip functionality, maybe it brings back some memories, you can buy it. But do not buy it right now as a consumer because the price of this thing will go dramatically down and the value of this thing will also go dramatically down. Better yet, I would wait for the next version or the version beyond that after they have actually polished all the shortcomings of this device and addressed that crazy price. There's also a chance this phone might die. But again, if you're a consumer, I just want to give you this advice. For all the reasons that I've mentioned in this video, don't buy it. And especially if you do want to buy it, just wait a little bit for the price to go down dramatically, because it will. Alright, so if you do have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below and let me know what you think. Let me know if you agree with me. And of course, let me know if you do not agree with me. Just drop those comments down below. But for now, guys, have a fantastic day. Stay tuned for more videos. Alright, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH online to get the latest updates as well. Alright, have a fantastic day.